Well, hello, Aries, Sun and Rising. So I have decided to keep things short and sweet this month with a one-card pull. And your tarot card theme for July is the Seven of Wands. So Aries, be brave and willing to adapt based on the current circumstances that are happening around you. And whatever is going on, don't let your emotions get the better of you. Now, if a communication or situation is unclear, ask for clarification instead of jumping to conclusions. For you, the message here is the right action is always better than a reaction. So pick your battles wisely, Aries. Some of those wands you see up in arms around you may be a distraction, not a threat. Now, others of you may have a situation that you have let slide for far too long, and now you feel as if you're backed into a corner. Now, it may be awkward, but there is no other choice at this point than to confront this head on. Now, this card is upright, so whether you realize it or not, Aries, you have the upper hand. Now, my feeling is that they have underestimated you or mistook your kindness for weakness. Now, things could escalate. After all, nobody likes to be held accountable for their stuff, right? But on the upside, this will allow you to see their true colors. And as the saying goes, when someone shows you who they are, believe them. Whatever happens after that is up to you. Now, your natural element, fire, is represented in this card, indicating a strong connection to your intuition and spirit. So be open to signs and synchronicities throughout the month that are meant to guide and inspire you. Wow, as I just wrote this, a pair of doves landed outside my window and literally just hanging out there. Here's a picture of them. So you may want to look up dove symbolism for additional insights. This is a perfect example. I think that was pretty cool. Now, getting back to your message, Aries, July is a transformative month that invites you to stand up for your principles, take calculated risks, and see challenges as opportunities for growth. Now, astrologically speaking, this card represents the planet Mars within the sign of Leo. And this combination reflects a determined yet positive mindset that can turn any obstacle into a stepping stone towards success. Okay, that about does it for me. I hope these messages were helpful for you. And if they were, please consider liking this video and subscribing. I love you, Aries, and I wish you the best for the month of July.